friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Land's End box. So let's open it. It came, which is the down winter coat from brand called Land's End. So I open it. It's well packaged. That container, box. I've got it on their side, which is Land's End. The box even have National Forest Foundation sign. So yeah, this will be real unboxing. But sometimes I don't do real unboxing. I open before I unbox, and then I just show what I've got. This one is real one. It's really not easy to open. Okay, let's do more here. Okay, box says thank you and enjoy, and then inside is a receipt from Land's End. And Land's End thing that I've got, which is cold. So it came packaged like so. And let's see. I've got a long coat. We have on side down coat, so I've got the one that is very long till ankles almost. Depends on the height. I've got size X large regular. I wonder if it will fit, because it might be too long or too big or too tight. I've got it in color black. So here is the code. It has 600 down filling. So it comes like this. Like here. Here is Land's End code. Wow, it's nice. This one looks new. So this is the tag. It says 600, which is 80 is feathers or down, and 20 is feathers. Yeah, and the other side looks like this. It has two-way zipper. Here it says Land's End. So, I'm new to this brand. This is first item I have from them, and it comes in black with nice material, even thicker than the material from North Face. I like it. It's more durable. Here it has nice fleece on the collar, better quality than North Face, because North Face here uses that cheap, like little lined one, not typical. Then it has nice hood which is adjusted. I mean, it is attached with snaps, but snaps are metal, not like plastic one, like in North Face, but it's metal ones, so see, it's better quality. And then it has here regulation, because you can adjust hood with the width and this part, which is funny. And then you cannot adjust it here, but only here. And it has nice fur, which is a little bit heavy. But the downside is that you cannot unzip the fur, just you have to unzip or just detach all the hood from the coat. Wow, it's nice and long. It reminds me of Triple C parka from the North Face. Let's see the sleeves. Sleeves looks nice. They have cuffs like this at the end, so that's good. What does it has? Let's open it. This coat doesn't have snaps here, it just has zip. It has two pockets on snaps, and inside they are really roomy and they have fleece. That's very nice. Oh, inside they have also a pocket here, which is here, also roomy one, but it's not zippered, it's just one snap closure. Let's go further and let's open it. The way zipper looks like this. Ta-da! This coat also has two zips on the sides for easier venting or easier movement. And you open them like so or close. That's really convenient. So let's try this coat on. This coat on. Yay! Fits perfect. Fits perfect. So guys, I will zip it. So it looks like this. Can you see me fully? Here. So yeah, that's how I look. Nice and warm. That's a great coat. Yay! It's really nice. And how I look on the hood, like so. That's how I look with hood. Funny. So this is code in the mirror. Wow, look guys, looks awesome. I mean, it's a little wide at the bottom, but that's to be expected. I'm glad that it's not too long, because I was seeing on people that it was very long, but on me it's like this length, to half of, to below half of those calves, a little bit above ankles. And this one is not too tight here, and it's nice hold. Not too heavy, but it's nice. Here this part is fine. Too wide at the bottom, but I saw those coats were like this, so it's a little bit wide, but at least it allows you to make big steps. See? To make big steps, and if you want bigger steps, you can open side zippers, which are on both sides. Very nice coat. And it has those cuffs, and I'm super warm in this one already. So yeah, that's very nice coat, and it's really nice quality for the price. And normally it's like 200 something, but it's now on sale for $100. It depends also on the day. You have to get some good day and get your coat at the day when it's promotion, because then it's cheaper. Yeah, so it's really nice, and it has those panels nicely filled with feathers. So it's filled with feathers, and here it has this thingy behind which protects you. So it's really nice quality. For this price, I recommend this coat even more than the North Face brand cutting costs and getting low quality, and they have coats for 300. They almost never go on sale, and they have coats like this, which I unboxed, triple C, but they don't have side zippers and a little shorter, and they're also warm and maybe slightly lighter. This one is a little heavier because this thing is heavy. This kind of fur inside this thing is a little bit heavy, but otherwise coat is light. So yeah, I really like it. And it also has brand names here, Lance and yeah, so brand's name is here, and I really like this coat. The zipper is really smooth. usually have fabric like this. Nice and sleek. And this fabric is more matte finish, which I like, because it's nice when it's matte finish. Okay guys, so that's it for my unboxing of Land's End today. Hope you enjoy such unboxing. Give thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.